Today, I'm going to show you how to use Envato AI. This is a powerful platform that gives you access to multiple AI tools for creating images, videos, music, voiceovers, and graphics all in one place. Let's walk through how to get started and generate your first AI image. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the AI features available on the platform. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Gen AI. Click on it. This is your gateway to all of Envato's AI-powered tools. Once you click, you'll be presented with a variety of AI generators, including image gen, image edit, video gen, music gen, voice gen, and graphics gen. Each of these serves a different creative purpose, so you can choose whichever fits your project needs. For this tutorial, let's focus on the image generator. Go ahead and click on Image Gen. This tool allows you to create custom images from text prompts or reference images, making it incredibly versatile for designers, content creators, or anyone looking to generate visuals quickly. Once you're in the Image Gen interface, navigate to the text field located at the bottom of the screen. Here you can type a descriptive prompt that tells the AI what kind of image you want it to create. For example, you might type something like avocado toast on a wooden table at sunset. The more specific and descriptive your prompt, the better the AI can interpret and generate the image you have in mind. Alternatively, if you prefer to work from a visual reference, click the Upload Image Reference button. This allows you to guide the AI using an existing image. You can either drag and drop an image into the designated area or click Upload a File, select your image reference from your device, and then click Open. This feature is particularly useful if you want the AI to match a certain style or composition. Next, you can adjust the style of your generated image. Click the No Style button, and a list of visual styles will appear. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits the aesthetic you're going for. This customization helps ensure the final output aligns with your creative vision. Now let's set the image dimensions. Click the Square button, and you'll see options to choose between square, portrait, or landscape orientations. Select the format that works best for your project, whether it's for social media, print, or web use. You'll also want to decide how many variations of the image you'd like the AI to generate. Navigate to the Variations option and click it. You can choose between 3 variations or 6 variations. Having multiple options gives you flexibility to pick the best result or compare different interpretations of your prompt. Once everything is set up the way you want, click the Generate button located in the bottom right corner. However, keep in mind that you'll need an active subscription before you can generate the image. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate Envato AI and generate custom images using their powerful Image Gen tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.